indoors, it's air conditioned, screens, computers. All of those sounds are in some ways completely alien to us. If we want children to understand the importance of the natural world, we need kids to play in nature when they're young. I'm Sam Crosby. I've helped to design education programs based around nature play. The concept of wild play is giving children freedom to create their own worlds, to take their own risks, to create their own challenge and adventure. They have to feel it, they have to smell it, they have to climb it, they have to touch it. Sometimes they might even taste it. Epic hide and seek games go on here. I've seen kids create a panda hospital in the bamboo forest. Whatever is going on in the kids' minds dictates how they play in it. In a normal playground where you do have equipment that's designed to be safe, the kids get bored, and that's where accidents happen. Whereas in a space like this, they learn how to push the boundaries of their bodies and their minds and grow with that.
You okay?
It's hard, you know, when you watch your kid take on a challenge.
I don't really feel like doing it. Whoa.
They get scary funny. It's that sort of like, I'm really scared, but this is just hilarious. And parents actually go, wow, I didn't realise my kid could do that, or I've never seen my kid play like that. Ultimately, we want great play spaces in every town, city and suburb in Australia. We want kids to experience the world in all its sometimes messiness and sometimes amazingness. The muddy clothes, the scratches, the worms in your socks.
I even got a spider web on me.
We want them to experience all of that because that's what life's about. And if we get them to experience that when they're younger, then, you know, we're going to have a great society in the future when those kids grow up.